Hello everyone, so if you want to change the screen lock on your Redmi A3, so first of all locate your settings, here they are. Now scroll down to your privacy and security tab. Here it is, open it up. Here you're to find your device unlock section, here it is. Now you're to choose your screen lock tab. So if you already have your password entered, any password set up, right, you're to enter your password. However, if you don't have, you won't have to do this. Now you can choose a method of your screen lock. So none, swipe, pattern, pin, and password. So let's choose something else. By now I have a pin. Now let's choose pattern. Why not? Now let's create a pattern, press next, draw your pattern again, press confirm, and as you see, the new screen lock method has been just enabled. So now if we turn off our phone and we turn it back, try to unlock our phone, we'll be prompted not to enter our PIN code. However, we'll be prompted to enter our pattern. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.